Try to make sure that's down in the description. You just scared me. My wife just scared me. The new window in the garage, I saw someone stared at me. Woo! You made me jump. Okay, let me get back to ending this video. Okay, now my heart's racing. Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. In this video, we're gonna look at Nathome's 80-watt garage light. Let's do it. So if you like anything detailing, product reviews, full detailing videos, mechanical videos, I do those sometimes because I am a full-time mechanic. I just detail on the weekends. Stuff like this, the garage light reviews, hit that subscribe button down below and then ring the notification bell so every time I upload a video, you get notified. Now, if you guys remember, I made a video last year, pretty successful video. It's got over 130,000 views on, at the time, the name was Bring Lighting, their deformable LED light. This is it right here. This is their 60 watt, 6,000 lumen model. I absolutely love these things. I still have them in my garage, but my new garage has 4 lights. Well, they happened, right after I moved here, they happened to contact me and said, hey, we just came out with a brand new light like the one that you reviewed before, but it's bigger, more powerful, and the new name is Nathome, not Bring Lighting. And at first I was like, yeah, I've already done a video on that. You know, I don't really need to do that. But they said, this is really bright, it's really gonna enhance your garage, and we'll send you however many you need. Well, I have 4 sockets in my new garage, not 2. So I said, well, I need 4 if you're gonna send them to me. They said, no problem. So they sent me 4 lights, and let me show you guys what it looks like. Here is the actual box that it comes in. And one thing I did not mention in my last video, and you guys asked me about it, this thing is ETL listed, is what it says right there. LED, no tools required. I had a lot of people say, well, how hard was it to install? You just twist it in. So I'm actually showing you guys me installing it on this video. It is E26 standard installations, fixed as a normal light bulb, basically. 80 watt, 80,000 lumen LED light, best choice for garage, workshop, and supermarkets. Change the 3 LED panels by hand to light up the area you want. And what they mean by that, and I'll show you on the older model, is you just do this. You know, your light's flat, and you can change where you want your lighting to go. And right here, it is 6,000 to 6,500 Kelvin. So let's take a look at it. I've been dying to install these things for a while. My garage is not even close to being done, so don't judge me. My garage is an absolute mess when you guys see it in a minute. Well, these are definitely bigger. These have been in the box since they sent them to me. Now, one thing I'm already seeing that's cool is they have a little protector right here that goes over where it screws in. But look at the difference in size. Let me try to make these the same so you guys can tell. Look at the difference in size. Oops, this is the new one. This is the old version. A lot more LEDs in this one, as you can see, because the LEDs are right here in the center. So that is pretty cool. These actually seem to bend down smoother as well. I love the other ones. They work great. They're actually gonna go in my dad's garage. I'm kind of hoping maybe I can put that in this video. I don't know. There you go. It screws in just like a normal light bulb. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and install these 2 right here. Leave these 2 up so we can compare what they look like during the daylight, like right now, and then we'll compare what they look like at nighttime, and then we'll put the other 2 up over here, and we'll see what it looks like in the garage. So let me get the ladder set up and we'll install that one on camera, and then I'll do both. All right, let me show you how difficult it is. Man, these are a lot taller, so I gotta actually bend these down a little bit before when I spin them in. It's just like putting a regular light bulb in. Okay, and we'll kind of aim them up just a little bit. I kind of like doing that with my other ones. I kind of have them aiming in different directions so I have coverage everywhere that I need the coverage. Okay, that's how easy it is right there. I'll go ahead and install this one and we'll see what they look like. Okay, so just to kind of give you guys an idea of the difference in size on the ceiling, a lot bigger over here. Let's see how bright they are. Let's go down here first. Oh, whoa, those are really white. Holy smokes. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. Here's the old ones.
The new ones, now I did notice, let's see if I can get both lights in here. The new ones take a second to turn on longer than the old version. See that right there? Wow, that is, oh, I can't even look at them. Here we go again, just like in my last video. They are crazy bright. Oh, that's gonna take some getting used to. That may give me a headache for a little while getting used to it. I don't know, we'll find out. But as you can see, I'm hoping this gives you an idea. Look how like an off-white this is versus this is a very crisp white, like a daylight type light. So 4 may be too bright for in here, but we'll find out. Once the sun goes down, we will come out here and really see what it looks like. Because I have 4 windows. I had all 4 of these windows put in. And right there. And then I had a brand new door put in, and that also has a window. I get a lot of light in here during the day. All right, you guys, so it's almost completely dark out, so we're just gonna go with this. I'm tired, I'm ready to go in for the night. Once again, sorry about the mess in my garage, but check this out. So I'll do this side first to show you what it looks like as far as light output. And then, as you can see already, way brighter over here. Way brighter. See if I can show you from this direction over here. You know, I wasn't even going to show my garage until I got it done, but it ain't no big deal. You can really see the difference in color of light there from that angle of the garage. And look how bright it is over here. So that's going to be awesome when I get all 4 up. So I'm going to go ahead and install the other 2, and we'll take a look at all 4 of them. All right, they are all 4 in, and it's like daylight in here. I don't know if you guys can probably tell. Hopefully when I edit, I'll be able to tell. There are no dark spots in the garage. I was kind of looking around trying to find dark spots. I tried to put the lights angled differently on all 4, and there's 0, like I said, dark spots. I mean, it's just really nice. It is going to take some adjusting of the eyes, though, I can tell you that much. I'm not getting a headache, but I think I would if I stayed here too long tonight. I know my, what are those lights called? The strip lights I have, they're actually in our other room. Those gave me a headache for the first couple days when I used them because of the color temperature. This is like a daylight, not a warm white. And it just takes some getting used to, but this is fantastic. I absolutely love it. By the way, that's my son's mower. I'm actually fixing up for him. That's my new John Deere. You guys know about that one over there, but I'm fixing this one up for him. It just looks absolutely amazing in here. It's gonna be perfect for detailing, I can tell you that much, and doing any type of automotive repair, any type of work on this workbench. I'm sorry about the mess, like I said, but the workbench is lit up really well because I was worried I was gonna have to put a light up here shining down my workbench. I'm not gonna have to do that. Looks great. Everything's lit up. Sorry, and my garage is an absolute mess right now. I have the engine out of this thing. I'm getting some work done to it, and it's just an absolute mess. But I did polish this up. And let me see if we can catch the light. Yeah, we can catch the light. You should have seen it before, and I'm not going crazy on it because it's a lawnmower, but this thing was really bad. And that light does good justice. You can see the swirls in the paint that are still left over, but I'm telling you, it looks 90% better than it did. It was really bad before. Nobody's gonna be looking for swirls in that anyways. So yeah, guys, there you go. That's what it looks like. And I could not be happier with it.
So like I said, you guys, I could not be happier with this. Now I should have mentioned this earlier at the beginning of the video, and I did forget. So if you've never seen a deformable LED like this right here, the reason it looks so funny is this is actually the heat sink. This is how it cools, because this light's going to get very, very hot. This gets warm. It's not something you want to touch when it's been on for several hours, but this is actually what dissipates the heat. As you can see, you can deform them all the way flat and just put them at whatever angle you want. I have found that if you do put them completely flat, the light is straight down. It doesn't really help you out a whole lot. So what I found is I tilt it up about like that on all sides, and it really floods the area with light. The only dark spot you get is right above the light, above the ceiling, which I can probably show you really quick if my camera will let me without messing the focus up. So that's the only dark spot you get is above the light. But now I have light reflecting off the ceiling, off the white ceiling. And that is very, very helpful when you're trying to light up an area. you want as much reflection of the white ceiling down as possible. And these are fantastic. I love these lights. I'm giving these to my dad. I'm gonna put these in his garage because his garage lighting is terrible and he has 2 sockets. So he's gonna be absolutely amazed when we put these in his garage. These have been fantastic. I've had them for a year. I've never had an issue with them. They've never just shut off or not turned on. These are extremely good lights. And I sold a lot of these in my Amazon store when I made the first review. Now I will put links in the description of the video where you can find this. In my Amazon store, if you want to buy it from there, I do make a little bit of money off each purchase from my Amazon store. B, I will put Nathome's link as well, where you can buy it from them off Amazon and you can use their discount code to get a discount on the product. And I'm pretty sure they gave me another discount code I'll put in the description of the video also, but it expires every 30 days. So I'm gonna have to contact them and I will try to make sure that's down in the description of this video. You just scared me. My wife just scared me. The new window in the garage, I saw someone stared at me. Woo! You made me jump. Okay, let me get back to editing this video. Okay, now my heart's racing. Okay, anyways, let's get back to this video. I just messed this whole thing up. You just messed this whole thing up. I definitely recommend these, you guys. It's made by the same company. These are fantastic. So I know these are gonna be good as well. As far as life expectancy, we don't know until we use them for a long time and see what happens. But they are going to draw more. They're 80 watts. They're going to draw more power when you use them. So I'm going to have 320 watts going every time that I turn my lights on in the garage. And we'll see if that hurts the electric bill, because being LEDs, they kind of help out a little bit. We'll find out what those do. But I do like them. What do you think?
It's bright.
It's really bright. Is it hurting your eyes?
Not right now.
Not right now, but it's kind of hurting mine a little bit. You got to get used to the daylight. I'm glad she walked out here because she can tell you guys what she thinks of it, but it's very bright. There's no dark spots in the whole garage.
Sensitivity to light.
Yeah, she does. This ending's gonna be really long because what just happened a minute ago. But yeah, I definitely recommend these guys. Go to the links in the description of the video if you guys want to buy these lights, and you will be extremely happy that you did. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, join the Fab family. We'd love to have you, and we'll see you in the next video.